$3.54 for 93. Sheesh, life's getting expensive. "10 years from now, we'll say, man, that was cheap." One thing I like to do to take my mind off of how expensive everything is to go fishing. Let's go. All right, guys, we are here at Navarre Beach here in Florida, and this is the Navarre Beach Pier. So, what's up, brother? So, we're gonna get out here and get to fishing. Luckily, I just got these mics in the mail, so we won't have too much wind noise, but we're gonna get out there and see if we can get on some fish for you guys. Let's go. All right, guys, so it is $7 to fish and $1 per person to walk the pier. All right, what is up, guys, and thanks for tuning in to Vitamin D TV. I'm Vitamin D, and if you're unfamiliar with the channel, I do a lot of fishing here along the Gulf Coast of Florida. I fish off the pier, the beaches. I even have a small boat that I take out all the time. It's a little too windy, as you can see, and the seas are kicked up, so probably some good surfing weather. So I decided to stay in and do a little pier fishing. So we're gonna walk out to the end of the pier, make a few casts, and see if we can't get on some fish. Let's go. All right, that was quite the walk, as this is the longest pier in the Gulf. So I'm gonna get here, get situated. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start throwing some of these hard baits that I have. You know, things like this Yozuri right here. We're gonna throw that a little bit, see if there's any Spanish around. And then we have this guy tied on. This is a Rapala X Wrap. And then I did bring some dead bait as well, some minnows to cast around just in case. I have some cigar minnows and some LY. So we're gonna start off with the hard baits, and then we'll fill you guys in as we go. First thing I'm gonna do is throw this big boy, because I don't see anybody else fishing with any larger baits. And this is the long cast of this lure. It has the single hooks on it, so you can cast pretty far, especially when you're casting with the wind.
Vitamin D?
I am.
I watch your channel.
Thanks, brother. I appreciate it. You do a lot of pier fishing?
Mostly beach.
Yeah, surf fishing?
Yeah.
He got smoked.
Need a gaff? I got one if you need one.
You do? Yeah, you might want to get it ready. Heck yeah, dude. You got a still leader on?
No.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Hopefully he's hooked right.
Yeah.
All right, he's got a king mackerel on. This is what I've been waiting on. That's his second run, so he'll be tired after that.
Yeah. With it being warm water like this, they'll tire out real quick in this warm water. If it was the springtime, I'd be a little bit worried. Good you.
First king mackerel on today. Bring yours in. He needs to follow him down.
Come over this way.
Follow him down, brother.
Yeah, he's over me.
Yeah.
He's coming in right here. Oh yeah.
Yeah, there he is right there. Oh. Here, go over him. Go over him. No, you go under, sir, and then he'll go over. There you go. There you go.
Just sold that slack on there. Yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah. What did you catch him on? Rapala.
There he is. Not a bad fish.
You seen it yet?
Yeah, he's right here. See him? See him?
Y'all, excuse me. Watch you guys coming left.
Just step over if you can.
Yeah.
It's a king mackerel.
Yes, sir.
He's right there. He's down a little bit. Here he comes. He's coming up. See him?
You got better glasses.
Yeah. He's right there. You should be able to see him a little.
I can't see it, Russ. Oh, I see him right
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, there he is, yeah.
I don't know if I can gap that. Is that,
Why not?
is that big enough? Is it legal?
Yeah, he's legal.
He is?
Yeah. 24 inches.
Okay.
He's gonna go 28 to 30. You're gonna put some heat on him. Put some heat on him. Get his head up.
Lock him down. Hold him.
There you go.
Hold him right there.
Yeah, hold his head up. Hold his head up.
I'm trying.
Okay, follow. Okay.
Bring him over here.
Yeah, get his head up and keep it up. Get his head and keep it up.
Bring him right here in this gap.
Put his head up and keep it up.
Bring him right to
Yep, pull left. You're almost there. Don't pull him out of the water. Keep him down. All right, put some tension on him. Put some tension on him. Okay, here you go. That's your shot. There you go. Good job, boys.
Thank you.
Good job.
Yes, sir. I couldn't tell looking down there. My eyes always see me how big these damn things are down there. Oh yeah.
Yeah, they only have to be 24 inches. Coming over.
Yep.
Wham, there he is. King mackerel.
Really appreciate your help, man. Yes, sir.
Good job.
Thank you.
Good job. Heck yeah. He ate that Rapala. Rapala. Wow, first king mackerel on deck. I've had a few follows with my X-Rap, but I had a bump even with some smaller Spanish mackerel. But you just got to keep casting and hoping for the for that big one. So let's keep fishing. Let's go. Just got to keep casting. My guy had an X-Rap with no leader.
no leader.
No steel
Oh,
leader.
he had a mono on there?
Yeah,
Oh, he was lucky.
I know, right?
Lucky.
All right, guys. So we did lose audio to this portion of video, but as you can see, we are now on my boat. And when I say we, I mean me and my girlfriend here. So we are fishing under the 3 Mile Bridge, which is the bridge that leads from Pensacola, Florida into Gulf Breeze, Florida. And so I ended up catching a few pinfish for bait, and I kid you not, I dropped that pinfish down and handed it to my girlfriend. It wasn't 2 minutes before she was hooked up and almost snapping my rod in two. And so luckily I was able to take the rod from her, keep her from getting tangled up into the anchor, because I do not have spot lock on this boat yet. But as you can see, I landed a very nice redfish, and it was a big one. So I'll show you guys the fish here. I am unhooking it here, and here we are taking measurements of the fish. This fish measured at 34 inches. So this is a pretty good one right here. Put up quite the fight. A beautiful gold redfish out of the Escambia Bay. And so just a super good catch here with a head first release into that water, which is a great way to release these fish after a long fight. And here I am showing you guys my fish finder. This is my Lowrance 12-inch. And we just had a ton of stuff underneath us. I set us up in a good position. But watch what happens next. I throw on a gulp shrimp and watch what happens next. The action. Ooh, I'm on. Dang, I cast it out and caught a dang on red. What the heck? Oh my goodness. And he's way out there, dude. I hope he don't go around the piling. I hope he's not that far. Oh my goodness. Oh shoot. Come on, dude, back this way. Oh my goodness. On a gulp shrimp up top. Oh man. Come on, dude. Don't get tangled. He's way out there. Come on, dude. Back this way. Oh my goodness. On a gulp shrimp up top. And again, it's on my light rod. Oh man. He's dogging this little pin battle. All right. I was letting it drop and he picked it up. All right, I got him out. On a little gulp. On the drop. Yep, there he is. There he is. Yep, net. Another big one too. I got him. Oh crap. All right, come here, dude. Ooh. He sees the light. He don't like that light. There we go. Woo! Dang, he's bigger. On a gulp. Oh crap. Yes. You want to hold this? Oh man. Yeah, a huge one this time. I mean, huge. All right, let's see. He barely fit in the net, but he ate the gulp on the drop. I casted it out. I wanted to bounce the bottom. For some white trout. Yeah, let me get this bait out. Big old goldfish. Let's take a measurement on him real quick. And these fish are just brutes. They don't die easily. He could sit out of water for 20 minutes and not die. And he's gonna go 35. What was the last one? 34. He's just got a fatter body, taller back. He's still a little bit upset that I got him. I just had to put the whooping on you, buddy. Check him out. Yeah. And he's drumming like crazy. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Big old goldfish right here on Pensacola Bay Bridge. And we can actually weigh this guy and see what one of these guys weigh. I brought my scale, my Rapala scale. I put batteries in it, so you see that. He's about, hard to say, yeah, because hang on, because the boat's moving. I'm gonna say he's 12 on the dot, just because the boat's rocking. It's jumping between high 12s and 11, so 12-pound, big old goldfish. We're gonna get a picture and get him back. All right, guys, gonna release this guy. There he goes. Take off strong every time. Woo! Bay Bridge is on fire at nighttime. If you guys get out here, man, it's nothing but bulls. Let's go. Bridge monsters. All right. So I've seen a lot where people come out and catch these guys at night. I haven't done it in a long time, but apparently the Bay Bridge is just still on fire like this with these big bull reds. And I don't shoot a lot of night fishing content because a lot of people complain in the comment section saying they can't see, which is it's kind of obvious. Like, I mean, how else are you gonna make a good night fishing video at night? You're not gonna be able to see everything, but at least you get to see the gist of it, right? So maybe we'll drop down a couple more times, see if we can't get another one. If not, it's already been a great night. You guys be sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. And we're just having a good time out here. It's a nice, calm evening. And 2 down. Let's see what else we can get. You need more cut bait, baby?
I need something.
On the Gulp Shrimp. I'm gonna reel this guy in. I just cast it. I thought I was filming downfalls of fishing at night. You think you're doing something and you're not, but this is the Gulp Shrimp setup that I am using. He's kind of beat up now, but it's got that lime green. I think this is like Crazy Chicken, Lime Chicken or something like that. I forget the name of it. I'll look at the package here in a second, but it's got a Z-Man jig head on it. And I just casted it out towards this bridge. We got these lights lining the bridge. A little Spanish or a little juvenile king. Let's see which one he is. Bring him here. I think he's a little king. Yeah, look at his teeth. Another juvenile king. Seem to be a lot of these guys. Look at those teeth on him. And then he's got that lateral line that drops down super quick. Let's see if we can see this flag on him. Yeah, mostly black. Mostly black flag. So gonna let him go. Hopefully he gets big. Turns into a smoker someday. Let's see how I get your bait back right. Ate a piece of cut bait. Lucky you didn't get cut right there. Cut off. Man, we used to come out here at nighttime and just jig with grubs on the bottom. Catch a cooler full of white trout, croaker. Catch the occasional redfish, occasional speckled trout. But mostly white trout and big croaker. You get a ground mullet every now and then, or a southern kingfish, or a whiting. These are the white trout I was talking about. These guys, they can get up to like 20 inches sometimes, and they got good clean white meat on them. They look just like a speckled trout. Got the fangs up front, the yellow mouth, and they're just missing the spots, but they're basically the same thing as a speckled trout. He's drumming right now. Not sure if you guys can hear that. Yep. So really tasty fish. Some people catch like coolers full of them. If they're in the 12-inch and over range, then they're good to keep. And if you catch enough of them, you can pretty much have a fish fry of them, and they are delicious. And when I say delicious like that, that means I'm serious about how delicious they are.